Supervisor roles. This is where you dictate what someone can see and do when they log into the software. And this is for supervisors. Okay. And these are basically like templates. And you can have as many as you want and name them anything you like. And then when you add an employee to the roster and make them a supervisor, it's going to ask you, okay, who are they supervising and as what role? And you can allow a supervisor, for example, to have a full supervisor access over one group of people, but a read-only access over a different group, and maybe a limited level over a different group. Like I said, there can be hundreds of combinations, but you just build these roles. You just click the plus sign, give it a name, and then come over here and determine, okay, what does this role mean? Can they add new employees? Can they delete employees? Can they edit the employee information? I mean, field level. Can they view Social Security numbers? Can they see compensation rates? The list. You basically just kind of check what you want them to be able to see and do with the group of employees that you're giving them access to. And again, the reason why we do templates like this is so you don't have to rebuild it every time you hire a new supervisor. So you just kind of create these templates, and then what happens is when you go to the employee's information screen and make them a supervisor, the software is going to say, okay, who are they supervising? Well, I want them to have access over the administration department. Okay, what role? And that's kind of how this works. And you can tell what role it is. And then you might say, and I also want this person to have access over the sales department. Then the software is going to say, okay, what role? And you might choose a different role for that same supervisor, but over a different department. And again, you can also break down within a department. So you might want to give somebody access over 8 of the 12 people in the HR department. That's fine. You can do that too, and assign, different roles. And it basically just dictates what someone can see and do when they log into the software. And it's all for supervisors.